respected judges, teachers, and fellow participants. We are the team behind Sankalp to Sustain, an eco-friendly marketing app, making your life simple, smarter, and affordable.
I am Arsh,
I am Devansh.
and together we are the champions of a change. We live in a world where everyone talks about conserving the planet, but very few actually act. Plastic pollution, global warming, and waste are increasing every day. The greatest threat to our planet is the belief that someone else will save it. Robert Swan once remarked.
Real life check. People want to live sustainability, but eco-friendly products are expensive and hard to find.
So we asked ourselves, what if technology would make sustainability and exciting?
That's when we made a something, a pledge to use innovation for a greener tomorrow. And from that, Sankalp to Sustain was born.
Sankalp to Sustain is a mobile app that connects users with eco-friendly products and green lifestyle options. It promotes sustainable marketing. That means every product we feature is safe for planet and supports sustainable development.
It's not just an app, it's a movement. It's inspired to shop smartly, live consciously, and care deeply for the environment.
Let's start with our eco-friendly product section. Here, user can explore anything from organic clothing and reusable bottles to electric cars from scooters.
We made it super exciting with our Green Offer Zone. For example, Tesla cars at just 75% off and Ola electric scooters at just ₹99. Our goal is to make green mobility affordable and attractive.
Now, let's give you a virtual tour of our live prototype, the Sankalp to Sustain app, developed by the Code.org app lab platform.
And the best part, every time users scan product, buy an eco-friendly products, they have a big discount. The body can be used at donated environment projects.
There is also a share experience button, which lets users share their eco pledge on social media, spread awareness to friends and family.
We even have a whole cash paying system. Page 4. Young change makers determined to make sustainability the new normal.
When users make a purchase, they automatically earn a chance to donate the needy what they need. They can be redeemed or donated because sustainability should be also a rewarding gift.
Yes, this is not a concept, it's a working app. We call it ourselves. Let's open it up.
As you can see, this is the home screen. It welcomes user with a warm message. Welcome to Sustainable to Sustain. Your green companion. Here user can see their big discount and the day's best eco deals.
Now let's tap on a green deal tab. You'll find out incredible offers like Tesla cars at 75% off and Ola electric scooters at just ₹999. Each deal promotes clean energy and motivates people to shift on electrical mobility.
So that's Sankalp to Sustain, a platform that brings together eco-friendly products, awareness and community action, all in one app.
Now let's move to the awareness section. Users can read climate change, waste management, and other eco topics.
And my favorite, the share your Sankalp feature. With one tap, user can post, I took my Sankalp to Sustain on social media or media directly to us. This spread awareness far and wide.
And finally, the About Us section where you can meet us, Arsh, Devansh, Ansh and Lavish, the young innovators behind this innovation.
And that's what our mission is. It is not just profit, but helping the whole world, the needy and the poor.
If just 1 million users can buy an eco-friendly product, we could reduce 10,000 tons of carbon emission in a year.
We imagine a world where being eco-friendly is easy, where people proudly say, I am green, I shop green, I live green.
We do not inherit the earth from our ancestors, we borrow it from our children. Native American proverb. These truly inspire us every day to build technology with purpose.
So today we invite all of you, judges, teachers and fellow change makers to take a Sankalp with us all together. Sankalp to Sustain. Because the earth doesn't need more talk, it needs action, and that action begins today.
Friends, the world doesn't need one person doing sustainability perfectly. It means 1 million of people doing imperfectly but sincerely.
In the future, we plan to expand our app by collaboration with NGOs, government program, and eco-friendly brands. We also aim to launch a green delivery system using electrical vehicles.
And we also designed a carbon calculator feature where users can see how much carbon they will save using our app.
Together, we can make the technology green, innovation, and the future brighter. Because Sankalp to Sustain isn't just an app, it's a pledge for the planet.
Let promise to the generation that didn't just inherit the earth but improved it.
Small action multiplied by million can transform the world. Howard Zinn. Each small choice we make, what we wear, what we buy, what we drive, shape the future of our planet.
Through Sankalp to Sustain, we turning these choices into a movement. A movement powered by youth, guided by purpose, and driven by innovation.
Let's just not innovate, just for profit, but for planet. Today, proudly we say, let's take a Sankalp to Sustain. Thank you.
Okay, dear. I was expecting that you will be presenting your content by your own, not by reading the paper. Am I right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So you have not learned your presentation?
Sir, I don't.
Okay. So try to learn your presentation, whatever you have done all the work. Why you are not able to speak and present your work by your own? Why you are taking the help of a piece of paper? One thing. Second, have you developed this app by your own?
Yes, sir. I have coded my app. I have coded this app by my own on code.org app lab platform.
Okay. And what time it took to develop this app to make the code?
Sir, I did it in parts. It almost took 2 weeks to complete it.
2 weeks. And have you learned such kind of coding from somewhere else, or you have started by your own?
Sir, actually, when I was small, I started learning coding, and then I got the visiting card of app developer and started creating such apps.
Right. Apart from this app, you developed any other app?
Yes, sir. I have created many apps such as the Flappy Bird app, the basketball game app, and many more.
That's good. That's good. And what is your what's your name?
Arsh.
Arsh. And what is all the contribution rest of the 3 candidates in this product and startup?
Sir, actually, rest of the 3 candidates helped me take the idea and made me confirm that this project will really help the community.
Let them speak. So the guy on the second position. That next you. So what is your contribution in this project?
I help him in suggesting this idea.
In
Suggesting this idea.
suggesting this idea. And your contribution?
Sir, prize me.
Price making. And your contribution?
Products.
Right. Sure. Thank you so much. Thank you. All the best.